Welcome back to the AI Technology Versions, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting tech reviews. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most futuristic gadgets we've seen in years, the brand new transparent smartphone 2026. This device has been making waves in the tech world with its bold design, powerful performance, and features that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. We've spent a lot of time testing it out, and in this video, we'll give you the full detailed review from its exterior and interior design to performance, usability, cameras, battery life, and even pricing. So, let's get into it. First impressions matter, and the transparent smartphone 2026 doesn't disappoint. Right out of the box, it screams innovation. The phone is completely see-through, front and back, giving you a full glimpse of its internal components. While still looking sleek and modern, you can actually see parts of the battery, the cooling system, and even some of the chipsets through the glass-like material. It feels like holding the future in your hands. The design is ultra-minimalist, with super thin bezels and a nearly invisible selfie camera tucked under the display. When the screen lights up, it feels as if the content is floating in mid-air. The edges are made of a lightweight yet durable alloy, so despite the delicate look, the phone feels solid and premium. Moving to the back, the transparent body seamlessly integrates the triple-lens camera system. It sits flush with the panel, so there's no bump at all, making it look incredibly clean. The fingerprint sensor is embedded directly into the power button, which is subtly placed on the side. Buttons and ports are minimal, with most interactions happening through touch, gestures, or wireless connections. This phone also supports a full portless design for those who prefer a completely wireless experience. Now let's talk about the interior, meaning the features and software experience, because this is where things get even more exciting. The transparent smartphone 2026 runs on the latest Neural OS, which uses AI-driven optimization for everything, from battery management to real-time language translation. It supports full 6G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and even satellite calling, so staying connected anywhere in the world is never an issue. The display itself is a 7-inch holographic AMOLED panel with a stunning 240 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, scrolling through social media, or watching your favorite shows, the visuals are incredibly smooth, crisp, and immersive. What's really fascinating is the adaptive transparency mode, where you can adjust how transparent the background looks when the phone is idle. For privacy, there's a one-touch shield that darkens the screen content, making it visible only from straight on, so prying eyes won't see your information. Under the hood, this device is powered by the new Quantum Fusion processor X3, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, and storage options ranging from 512 GB to a massive 2 TB. Performance-wise, it's an absolute beast. Multitasking feels instant, apps launch in the blink of an eye, and the phone handles console-level gaming without breaking a sweat. Even during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads, battery life is another big highlight. The 5000 mAh graphene-based battery supports hyper-fast charging, giving you 80% charge in just 10 minutes and a full charge in under 20. Now let's talk about the cameras, because for many people, this is the most important feature. The triple lens system includes a massive 200 MP main sensor, a 50 MP ultra-wide lens, and a 100x periscope telephoto lens for incredible zoom capability. Low-light photography is on another level, thanks to the AI Night Vision 3.0 mode, which captures bright, detailed shots even in near-dark conditions. For video creators, this phone supports up to 12K recording, with real-time stabilization, and even a cinematic mode that lets you change focus points after you shoot, just like in professional filmmaking. Price-wise, the transparent smartphone 2026 comes in 3 variants. The base model with 512 GB storage starts at $1,199. The 1 TB version is $1,399, and the top-end 2 TB model is priced at $1,599. Yes, it's definitely a premium device. But when you look at the cutting-edge technology, the futuristic design, and the performance it offers, the price begins to make sense. Overall, the transparent smartphone 2026 isn't just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. It combines style, power, and innovation in a way that truly stands out in today's crowded smartphone market. If you're someone who wants a device that turns heads, offers next-level performance, and brings futuristic features to your pocket, this might just be the phone you've been waiting for. And that wraps up our full review of the transparent smartphone 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the AI technology versions, and share your thoughts about this futuristic device in the comments below.